Today we will see this development of lateral surface of the cells. So in this unit, first we will see the problem on cone. That is development of cone. Question is given: a cone of 50 mm base diameter and 60 mm long axis rest with its base on HP. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP bisect the axis of the cone. Bisect means what? Now this is the cone. Everyone know the cone. Cone having one apex and one base. What is the shape of the base? What is the shape of the base of the cone? Circle. When cone is resting like this on the HP, so when you see cone from the top, you will get top view. So what is the top view? Top view you will get circle. Correct? Top view you will get circle. And what is the front view? Means you have to see, or you have to observe the cone from the front side. This shape, and this shape is nothing but what? What? Triangle. So you will get front view of the cone as a triangle and top view is a circle. Now here it is mentioned that one section plane is passing and inclined 45 degree to HP bisect the axis of the cone. Axis of the cone means line joining from the apex to the center of the base. So one plane is passing means it cuts the plane exactly at midpoint of the axis. Bisect means it will divide into two equal parts. So whatever the length of the axis is there, you have to take midpoint, and from that midpoint the plane is cutting the axis of the cone. That is the meaning of that sentence. Bisect the axis of the cone. And what is the inclination of that plane? It is inclined at 45 degree to the HP. And by using this condition, you have to draw the development of the lateral surface of the remaining portion of the. So to start with, first you have to draw XY reference line. Then you have to draw top view. That means below the XY. What is the top view? Top view. First you have to draw reference line XY. What is the top view? Top view is a circle, and our usual method divides circle into how many parts? 12 equal parts. You have to divide 12 equal parts. Then take projection, and here you have to draw front view. Front view will be on or above XY. Front view is a triangle. Understood or not? This is the first step for your solution. Okay? This is the top view of a cone, that is a circle. Circle we are divided into 12 parts. We have given letters A, B, C, D up to here. Then front view is a triangle. Take projection of each and every point vertically upwards and below the axis. From here take 60 mm height. It is given in the question. Then draw the triangle as a triangle. All generators you have to show in the front view. Okay. Now A becomes A dash. In the front view we have to denote letter by dash. B becomes B dash. L becomes L dash. Like this up to G dash. This is the center. O becomes O dash. Next step, to proceed for development. First we have to construct the development of the cone. Then we will draw a section plane which is passing exactly midpoint of the axis of the cone. So how to proceed? Before proceeding, some calculations you have to do. These calculations you have to write down in your answer sheet properly. This calculation you have to write down. First, you have to calculate slant height of the cone. And this slant height it is calculated by using formula L equal to under root R square plus S square. What is this formula? Formula is based on Pythagoras theorem. If you see that the triangle O dash, D dash, G dash, O dash, G dash, D dash and G dash. This is what? Right angle triangle. And if you calculate this slant plane, O dash, G dash, this can be calculated as D dash, G dash square plus D dash, O dash square. What is D dash, G dash? This is nothing but radius. This is 25. What is O dash, D dash? Height, h, that is 60. The same thing, 25 square plus 60 square. So it is coming 65 after solving it. Slant length of the cone, it is coming how much? 65. Then we have to calculate subtended angle theta. This is only for development of cone. This calculation is required. So how to calculate theta? Theta equal to capital R upon slant length. R means radius of the base of the cone divided by slant length, whatever you have calculated this cone, into 360 degree. So 25, that is radius, 65 is slant length into 360 degree. That is exactly coming 138 point something, 23 like that. So approximately you have to take theta is equal to 138 degree. So what you have to do, how to proceed? It is very important. Now, from O dash, with the help of protractor, just draw a small horizontal line. And here, mark this as a O. You take small horizontal line, mark any point O on that line. But this line is parallel to itself. Understood? After that, what is slant plane? 65. You have to draw one line, that is O capital A. In development, we are giving letters in capital. We denote every letters in capital. So you have to draw a line from O such that line OA is parallel to O dash, G dash, and what is the length? 65. So you have to take 65 mm properly and parallel to O dash, G dash. You have to draw one line and give the name O capital A. O capital A. Understood? Yes or no? Then take a compass. Take compass O capital A, that is 65. Understood? Then with the help of center capital O, draw a big arc. Very big arc you have to draw. Okay? And leave it. Then next, take angle protector. And we have just calculated theta equal to how much? 130 degrees. Put this angle protector like this, which will be on OA, and mark the angle. How much? 130 degrees. Then draw a line. Understood? Now divide this arc or divide this angle into 12 equal divisions. If you divide angle 130 degree into 12, so it is coming something, I think 11 or something, 0.12 degree. Or divide the arc, dividation of arc because this big arc into how many equal parts? 12 equal parts. Because we have divided base into how many parts? 12 equal parts. You have to do it first. Listen here. It is mentioned that a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to HP bisect the axis of the cone. Bisect the axis of the cone. So here it is my axis of the cone, O dash, D dash. Bisect means it divides equally into two parts. Is what we have to do. It is very important. All of you listen carefully. First, we have to mark the midpoint of the axis. The total length of the axis is 16. What is the midpoint? It is at midpoint is at 30 mm. Okay. So mark this point, and here from that midpoint, draw one small horizontal line. Draw small horizontal line. Then take angle protector. Put angle protector on this midpoint and mark angle. How much? 45 degrees. And draw a section plane which is passing through this midpoint. While drawing section plane, you have to draw like this: one big, two small, one big, two small. This angle you can show. This angle is how much? 40. This is very important. And if you carefully observe, this section plane cuts the generator of the cone. This section plane cuts the generator of the cone. Now see here, this will cut O dash A dash. So this intersection point you have to mark as P dash. Understood? Next, generator O dash B dash. This intersection point mark as Q dash. Understood? Next, generator O dash C dash, section plane is cutting here, and this point is R dash. Correct? Next, generator O dash D dash, section plane will cut at this point. This is S dash. Next, generator O dash E dash, section plane will cut at this point. This is T dash. Next is generator O dash F dash, cut section plane here. This is U dash, and last generator, that is O dash B dash, section plane cuts the O dash B dash at point B dash. This is your line. Understood? Section plane where it cuts the generator, you have to mark the points: B dash, U dash, R dash, S dash, D dash, E dash, B dash, because it is in front of you. Next point, from each point, intersection point, you have to draw horizontal line up to OA. You have to draw. So from T dash, I have to draw one line. This line is parallel to your x up to OA. Correct? Understood? Mark this point X. You can mark X, capital P. Then from Q dash, draw horizontal line. Mark this point X, capital Q. Then R dash, draw horizontal line. This is capital R. Then S dash, this is capital S. T dash, then U dash, and last is U. This is my P. This is U. Last is capital I U. You can give P double dash, Q double dash also. Then next important point, what you have to do? Take compass. Take distance in the compass, capital O and capital P. Take distance in the compass, capital O and capital P. Whatever point you are getting here, correct? Then with the help of center O, draw an arc. Up to the OA. Understood? Similarly, next take distance OQ. Take distance OQ in the compass and with center O again. Draw another arc up to O. This way you have to complete all the arcs. Understood? Now again come to here. Now see that this P dash. This P dash is on which generator? O dash, A dash. This P is on OA. So where is OA? In our development see here. So this is my P. So already I have given P. Correct? I have given the letter P on OA. Another OA is there. Correct? Where? You can see. Mark this point there again P. This is your first P and here also. Understood? These are wherever it cut generator. That intersection. Next, Q dash is on O dash, B dash and also O dash, L dash. So Q is on OB as well as O. Next one is OL. So where is my OB? This is my OB. So curve coming from Q. Now this is this intersection point. Now it is Q as well as OL. Curve coming from Q. The second curve. Now this is my. Understood or not? Next, R is on OC as well as OK. Correct or not? So the curve coming from R. Now this is here. Next is OC. So this is intersection point. OC and R curve. This is my capital R. And same thing it is on OK. This curve. And this is the correct. This is my. Similarly, S is on OD and OJ. So curve S. Where is my OD? This is OD. So this is S. And O. Same curve it is intersecting OJ. This is also. Sorry. This is. So this is my T and OI. So this is my T. Then U is on OF and OH. Curve coming from U. So this is U. This is also U. And last is B is on OG. Where is OG? This is OG. So this is my B. So I got all the intersection points with the help of French curve starting from P. P. Draw a smooth curve. Now where you draw it? This will pass through P to R. Yes. So you have to make it dark. This is straight. This is your